Your Muscular System by Rebecca L. Johnson. Chapter 1. Body Movers. Every time you take a step, blink your eyes, or smile, you can thank your muscles. Muscles make you move. Some movements are large. You can leap over a puddle, you swing a bat. Other movements are small. You raise an eyebrow, you tap your finger. You can see some muscles at work. Try making a muscle with your arm. Can you see the muscle bulging just under your skin? You can't see other muscles in your body. When you swallow, muscles push food into your stomach. Muscles in the stomach wall mix your food. Muscles in your heart move blood through your body. Working with other systems. You need your muscles for almost everything you do, so it's not surprising that you have hundreds of them. All these muscles make up your muscular system. The muscular system works with other body systems to keep you alive and healthy. It helps you do all the things you do. Muscle control. You can control some muscles. You can make them move just by thinking. Suppose you want to pick an apple. You reach out and curl your fingers around the apple. You pull it down. You decide you want to do this, and your muscles make it happen. There are other muscles that you cannot control, no matter how hard you try. You can't make food travel to your stomach more quickly. You can't make your heart beat more slowly. These kinds of muscles do their work automatically. Contracting muscles. All muscles are alike in one important way. They can all contract or shorten. When a muscle contracts, it moves whatever body part it's attached to. You can see muscles contract in your arm. The big muscle in your upper arm is called the biceps. When your biceps contracts, your lower arm moves up. Chapter 2. How muscles work. Muscles move body parts by contracting. But how do muscles contract? Muscles are made up of cells. Each muscle cell is called a muscle fiber. A muscle fiber is thinner than one of the hairs on your head. Strands. Inside each muscle fiber are hundreds of strands. These strands are made up of even thinner strands. The thinnest strands overlap one another. They look like fingers laced together. Nerves. Your brain controls your body. It sends messages all the time. These messages go to every part of your body. They travel along nerves. Nerves reach into every muscle. They touch every muscle fiber. When a message reaches a muscle fiber, the tiny strands inside it move. The strands slide toward one another, so the muscle fiber gets shorter. As muscle fibers get shorter, the whole muscle contracts. It pulls on the body parts that it is attached to. It makes the body parts move. Chapter 3. Muscles you move. You have 3 different kinds of muscles in your body. All 3 kinds are made up of muscle fibers that contract, but each kind of muscle does a special job. Skeletal muscles. Muscles that you control are called skeletal muscles. The biceps is a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles have long, thin muscle fibers. Under a microscope, the fibers look striped. Most skeletal muscles are attached to bones. When the muscles contract, they pull on the bones where they are attached. Your bones cannot move them without the help of muscles. Tendons. Tendons connect muscles to bones. Look at the back of your hand. Try wiggling your fingers. Do you see the cords moving just under your skin? Those cords are tendons. They connect muscles in your lower arm to your finger bones. Muscle pairs. No bone can move without the help of a muscle, but muscles can only pull, they cannot push. That's why many skeletal muscles come in pairs. One muscle pulls a bone in one direction, then the other muscle pulls the bone in the opposite direction. In your upper arm, your biceps is paired with a muscle called the triceps. These muscles are attached to bones in your lower arm and your shoulder. When your biceps contracts, your lower arm is pulled up. When your triceps contracts, your lower arm is pulled down. Most movements need more than just 2 muscles. More than 300 muscles work together when you take a single step. Not all skeletal muscles are attached only to bones. Some are attached to other muscles. Some are attached to skin. Skeletal muscles attached to skin on your face can raise an eyebrow. Others can pull the corners of your mouth up into a smile. Muscle shapes and sizes. Skeletal muscles come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Big fan-shaped muscles are in your chest. They help move your arms at the shoulder. A flat sheet of muscle is just under your rib cage. It changes the shape of your chest to help you breathe. The calf muscles in your lower legs are some of the strongest muscles in your body. They help you jump, walk, and run. Your longest skeletal muscles are on the inside of your legs. They stretch from your hips to the inside of your knees. Thanks to these muscles, you can sit cross-legged. Hand and eye muscles. There are about 20 small muscles in your hands. With their help, you can make a fist, or you can play the piano, or you can pick up a dime. 6 muscles move each of your eyes. These muscles allow you to look in many directions. Keep your head still and look around. You can feel your eye muscles at work. Skeletal muscles are powerful, but when they are working hard, they get tired quickly. Try squeezing a small rubber ball over and over again. Soon the muscles in your hand will start to hurt. After a while, you won't be able to squeeze the ball even one more time. Your muscles are too tired to contract. Stop squeezing. Let the muscles in your hand rest. Soon, they will be ready to work again. Chapter 4. Muscles that move themselves. The second kind of muscle in your body is smooth muscle. Unlike skeletal muscle, you can't control smooth muscle. Smooth muscle contracts automatically. It contracts all by itself. That way you don't have to think about things like digesting your food. Where is smooth muscle? Smooth muscle is found in the walls of your stomach. It is found in your blood vessels. It also makes up part of many organs in your body. When you are cold, tiny smooth muscles pull on the hairs in your skin. Then you get goosebumps. Under a microscope. Under a microscope, smooth muscle fibers look different from skeletal muscle fibers. They work differently too. Skeletal muscles can contract very fast, but smooth muscles contract slowly and steadily. Smooth muscles are often arranged in flat sheets. A sheet of smooth muscle can stretch a lot. The smooth muscles in your stomach stretch so that your stomach can hold a big meal. Chapter 5. The heart. The third kind of muscle in your body is heart muscle. Heart muscle is found only in the walls of your heart. You can't control heart muscle. It contracts automatically. That's a good thing. You wouldn't want to have to think about every heartbeat. Never rests. Under a microscope, heart muscle looks a little bit like skeletal muscle, but it's different in an important way. Heart muscle never gets tired. It contracts about 70 times every minute. That's about 100,000 times a day. Heart muscle never rests during your entire life. Put your hand on the left side of your chest. Can you feel a thumping? That's your heart beating. With each beat, your powerful heart muscle contracts. Chapter 6. Keeping muscles healthy. Each time your heart muscle contracts, it pumps blood out of your heart. The blood is pumped through your body. Blood carries nutrients to your body's cells. Nutrients feed cells. Some of those cells are muscle fibers. Nutrients and oxygen. Your body's cells need nutrients to work well. Nutrients come from the food you eat. Eating well helps keep your muscles healthy. Blood also carries oxygen to your cells. You bring oxygen into your body with every breath. The harder your muscles work, the more oxygen they need. Exercise. Hard work is good for muscles. Exercise doesn't give you more muscles, but the muscles you have get bigger and stronger. Without exercise, muscles shrink. They lose their strength. Think about when you've been sick in bed for a long time. When you first start to walk again, your muscles feel weak. You probably don't think much about your muscles, but whether you're asleep or awake, your muscles are always working. At any one time, some muscles are contracting, other muscles are relaxing, but they are all working together. Muscles make your body move in just the right way.